Hello, okay, this video on how to remove the AC compressor for 2013 Honda Odyssey. I'm just gonna show you the way on how to take it off. As the easiest way to take it off, if you're gonna remove this reservoir, it's a clip right here, and just about this one on the sides, you have to take the alternator off, and then the AC compressor will come out from here. At the beginning, you need to take the belt off with a 14mm socket. You put it down here and push it against the firewall this way. Then you take the belt off, you raise the car up, and you come down here. I tried to take it off from here, but I couldn't. You can try, but I couldn't take it off from here. I even removed this bracket to try to wiggle it, and it didn't work. Then you get a 10mm socket and take this hose off, the bolt with a nut in here. And there is another one on the side of the the AC compressor, 10mm. And then the other hose also is 10mm. I take it off with a wrench, 10mm wrench. This one right here is easy. It's like gear. It's an easy way. That's pretty much it. Let me show you on my program right here. That's what it tells from the beginning. You move this alternator wire and cable, and you remove this wiper reservoir, and then take it off the alternator, take the alternator out, then the AC compressor will come out from the same spot. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.